Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to verify your identity on tofro.com. Now before making any purchases over here, you need to verify your identity. Before even withdrawing your money, you will have to verify your identity. So here in this video we are going to be checking out how you can do it very easily. First of all, you need to come on tofro.com and then log in into your account. Once you are over here, tap on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. Then tap on your email address here. Now once you tap on it, you will be landed on this page where you will see the option of certification. So tap on the certification option and here you will see junior certification and advanced certification. So in the junior certification, you need to simply select your country and provide further details and your junior certification will be completed. For the advanced one, you need to simply upload your ID photo and your image holding that ID photo. Then you need to simply upload it. So make sure that it is in the good lighting, otherwise it will be rejected. So once you are done, click on the confirm submission option here in the bottom. Wait for at least 1 hour. Your application will be under review, and after that 1 hour you will know whether your identity is verified successfully. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Bye.